everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got done working out and I just wanted to give this video a nice intro so that it makes sense, because I had this, do I have mascara on my, that's why I don't work out with mascara on. I had this idea for a video that I wanted to do a haul and show you guys what we're eating for the next few days. You guys know I'm all about simple meals. If you're on your weight loss journey, if you're on your fat loss journey like I am, I'm currently 7 months postpartum. I have an adorable, beautiful, healthy baby. Just working on my lower stomach especially. So that's how it looks if I flex and then relaxed. So I feel like I've lost so much during my postpartum journey. Like, the fat has definitely reduced. And guys, it all came from keeping it simple. Simple recipes. Of course, we know we need to eat healthy food. I'm obsessed with simple recipes. I think the key to fat loss is keep it simple. When you keep it simple, it's more affordable. You have more room in your fridge because you're not buying a million different groceries. The way I decided to do today's video, I decided to do something a little different. We're gonna go to Whole Foods together and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna do the haul. And as I'm doing the haul of what we bought for the next few days, I share simple recipes. So in this video, you're going to see what I'm buying and how I actually cook with them and recipes I come up with. So when it comes to losing fat, losing weight, getting in shape, I feel like for food, less meal ideas is better, because if you have too many meal ideas and too many options, it's easy to be like, oh, let me add a scoop here and a scoop of this and these toppings and this, and then before you know it, your breakfast might be too many calories or it might be too many carbs or whatever the case may be. So we just try to keep it simple, and we don't have a million different breakfast options. It's just one or two. We always get these brown eggs. We have been getting these organic corn tortillas. I also picked up some goat cheese today, so I like to sprinkle that on top too. And I also picked up some avocados for a good fat. So my diet as far as losing fat is high protein, high fat, and lower in carbs as much as possible. But since I am breastfeeding, I do have more carbs than I typically like to when I'm losing weight. We have some breakfast tacos. We have some scrambled eggs, avocado. Yeah, she's eating her eggs too. Okay, so I'm going to add a little goat cheese, and this is the best with breakfast tacos, Cholula. And that's it, a nice breakfast taco. The corn tortillas are also going to be used for tonight's dinner. So we're making fish tacos. We'll get into that in a little bit. And that brings me to my second breakfast, which is a collagen smoothie, or you can add a protein smoothie, whatever you personally like. I love protein powder and I have that as well. But right now I'm focused on gut health. If you guys have seen my recent video on gut health, Dr. Axe talks a ton about collagen. I have this one by Primal Kitchen. I love the brand Primal Kitchen. It's a really clean brand. This is my other breakfast slash snack. So if I don't have this for breakfast, then I like to have it as a snack, just because I'm trying to increase my collagen intake. Your body is made up of collagen. Your bones are made up of collagen. Next thing I bought for that is berries. The next thing I like to get is full fat yogurt. Funny, I eat fat to lose fat. But yeah, fat keeps you full longer. I'm a busy mom, guys. Like, I don't have time. Like, when I look at my older videos of how many different meals I would make and just a salad on a whim and grilled chicken on a whim. Like, I can't eat like that now. When I'm eating foods, I have to plan them out, and I have to be eating higher protein, higher fat meals that are gonna keep me full longer, because when you have a seventh-month-old, they're moving around the house, crawling and doing things. So she eats this one as well. Scoop of this in my collagen smoothies or protein smoothies. But the other way I like to have Greek yogurt is instead of sour cream. So say you're making tacos or chili or something like that. If you add full fat yogurt, it's kind of like a healthier sour cream. So we always have this on hand. So now we'll get into lunch, which if you've been watching any of my what I eat in a day videos, or if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know I eat the same lunch every single day, and until I'm bored of it, which we're not even there yet, I'll switch it up. But for now, I eat a sandwich every single day. I constantly change up my sandwiches. So I always do a turkey and cheese. Those are the only cold cuts I personally like. I will switch up. Sometimes I'll do hummus on the bread. Sometimes I'll do pesto. Sometimes I'll do balsamic glaze. But today we're doing a spicier turkey and cheese sandwich. So first let's get into the bread. I love Ezekiel bread, and for me, I think that Ezekiel bread is the healthiest bread. It's sprouted grains. My husband says it tastes like cardboard, so just throwing that out there. He was like, make sure people know that it's not as good as the bread I buy. And before we get into the recipe, I just picked this up at Whole Foods, and it's Buffalo Ranch. It's USDA organic, and it is dairy free. I had this today. This on a sandwich is so good. Will you show everybody you're loving banana? Yeah? So they're like these little pacifiers that you can put frozen or fresh fruit in. So we put some banana chunks in there, and she's loving it. We're the sweatshirt girls today. So for dinner, what we'll do is we'll buy 2 different meats. So today we got a cod and we got a ribeye. So we have them right here. We always buy grass-fed when we're buying beef and wild-caught when we're buying fish. Tonight we're going to be making the cod fish tacos. I got the veggies for it, and I have cilantro, and I got the sauce for it. To see you. Jared's filming me, so I have no idea. All right, stand back a little. There would be. No? Is it good now?
Yeah, that looks good. I see Wyatt down there.
I didn't even see him there. Aww,
Please give me a taco, I swear. It won't bother my tummy. Nice avocado slices.
I know, I should have made them smaller, but...
No, that looks
okay.
ripe.
And then cilantro. I love cilantro.
Wow.
We're not done yet.
Not done. But wait, there's more.
Yep, there is more.
Ooh.
I was like, I don't want to see this.
What do we have here? Wow. That's... Uh-huh.
So for tonight's dinner, we have the Grill King.
That's right, grass-fed ribeyes.
Yep, grass-fed ribeyes. I just did skincare, so that's why I'm protecting my skin now. It's 6 o'clock, but it's so like bright, so my skin might look a little red, but that's why. Anyway, tonight's gonna be a leaner dinner, so after he makes the steak, we're going to put it over the cabbage that we use for the fish tacos, and I'm gonna use that same spicy crema, whatever it's called, and I'm gonna put that on top of this and make like a spicy steak situation. Looking good. Steak, it's all ready, and I'm having it with the cabbage and the same sauce from the fish tacos. So using those ingredients again, like my slippers, and I also added goat cheese.